I am Ivan Michael Siachanso of Batangas State University, Bachelor of Science Information Technology from Section IT 2102. And for this activity, I'll be doing a pocket tracer activity in Chapter 11. So this is entitled Troubleshooting Connectivity Issues. This is in page 11.4.3.6. So let's start answering this pocket tracer activity. So we got here the topology and here the guide question. So pocket tracer, it is entitled Troubleshooting Connectivity Issues. So here's the tracing table. It has a device, interface, IP address, subnet mask, and the default gateway. So the objectives here is the objective of this pocket tracer activity is to troubleshoot and resolve connectivity issues if possible. Otherwise, the issues should be clearly documented so they can be escalated. Background or scenario: users are reporting that they cannot access the web server in www.cisco.pka after a recent upgrade that included adding a second DNS server. You must determine the cause of the attempt to resolve the issues for the user. Clearly document the issues and any solutions. You do not have access to the device in the cloud and the server www.cisco.pka. Escalate the problem if necessary. Router R1 can only be accessed using SSH with the username admin01 and password Cisco12345. So step 1, determine the connectivity issues between PC1 and the web server. On PC1, open the command prompt. So PC1, let's open the command prompt and use the ipconfig. So go to desktop, command prompt, so ipconfig. So it shows the IP address and the default gateway, so let's check if it is correct. So PC1, the IP address should be 172.16.1.3. So this is 168, so we are going to change that. So the default gateway is 172.16.1.1. So that is correct. So we saw this issue, and let's correct it. Go to IP configuration, then make IP address 116. The IP address is now correct. After correcting the IP addressing issues, PC1 issue or things on default gateway for server and other PCs. So we're going to ping default gateway and other PCs. So let's ping the default gateway. So there are the replies. Now let's ping the web server. So here we are getting the replies. Now let's try it in PC2. We're getting replies from PC2 to PCA. So PCA, it says destination host is unreachable. Now let's try PCB. So till it is unreachable. So let's use the user browser, the web browser. Now the web browser, let's go to the website www.cisco.pka. Let's copy that and go. So there we are in the website. We can access the website. Now let's try the IP address. You can still go to the website. You can still access the website. Now let's proceed to step 2. Determine the connectivity and issues between PC2 and server web browsers. Same thing as between the PC1. Let's do it in PC2. Desktop, command prompt. So let's config. So let's check. IP address default gateway is correct. So the IP address is 172.16.1.4. So that one is correct. The default gateway is 172.16.1, so this should be 11. So now let's correct the default gateway there. It's the default gateway is now correct. Now let's proceed to, after correcting the IP address issued the ping. So now we're going to ping again the default gateway. Start with the default gateway. So we are receiving replies, the web server. We are still getting replies. Now let's try to ping the PCs. So PC 1. We're getting replies from PC 1 or PCA. Still, the destination host is unreachable. Destination host is still unreachable. Navigate to the web browser. So let's use the web browser. So the web browser, let's go to www.cisco.pka. Let's try again. Just hostname unresolved. Okay. So step 3. On PCA, open the command prompt. So PCA, let's do the same thing. Command prompt IP. Let's check the IP address and the default gateway. PCA 172.2.16.2.3, so this is correct. The default gateway is 172.16.2.1. Still, that is correct. Now, so there are no issues in IP address in the default gateway. So now let's proceed to, let's try to ping. So command prompt, let's ping first the default gateway. So request timed out. Let's try again the web server. Still it is saying request timed out. So let's ping the PCs. PC 1. It's timed out. Now let's try PCA. We are getting replies from PCA. So probably the issue here is in the default gateway in the router here. So in the router, gigabit Ethernet 0/1 port. So we're going to try to configure it using PC1, command prompt of PC1. So we're going to enter it using the username. So let's enter SSH. So SSH-L. So our username is admin01 and target is 172.16.1.1. Password Cisco 12345. So here we are now in the configuration. So config. Let's configure the. So we're going to go to the interface. 0/1. So no IP add. Now let's put an IP address. So IP address is, now we put the default IP address of the default gateway 172.16.2.1. Yes, so the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Now the no shutdown command. So the no exit. There. So we have configured. Now let's proceed to step 5. Verify that all PCs can access the www.cisco.pka. Now let's try to access this using all the PCs. So PC1, go to web browser. Now there you can access the website. Now PC2, the browser, you can still access the website. So now PCA. So the web browser. Okay, now open the website unlike before. So we have answered that activity. We got a completion of 15 of 15. So that's all for this video and thanks for watching.